Hey y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2016 Ram 1500 ST in a black exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have minor damage on the Carfax with 2 previous owners. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice a black grille insert with black trim. Along the bottom, you will notice your black accents with running fog lights. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice light new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. One thing I do want to point out on the exterior is you will have heated mirrors. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium gray cloth, along with a black and gray dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you'll have 15 and 32 seconds all the way around. And for your brakes, the front pads will be 16 and 32 seconds, and your rear pads will be 15 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, that premium gray cloth interior will stay the same. Not to mention, you will have 2 cup holders here in the floorboard. Coming here to the rear, this vehicle is equipped with a hitch and receiver. While we're back here, we'll go ahead and drop the tailgate to show you guys the bed size. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it will come equipped with power windows, power mirrors, power locks, and manual seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice that this vehicle will come with just over 93,000 miles on it. To the left of your steering wheel, you will have your headlight and fog light options, as well as your dash brightness. The left knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers, as well as your turn signals and your bright lights. On the left side of your steering wheel, you will have your talking options, as well as your dashboard options. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you will have your cruise control. Coming here to the center, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready. You will also have your climate control options here in the center, as well as your traction control and your towing. You will have your gear shifter knob here, as well as your four-wheel drive options. You will also have a 12-volt plug-in, along with a storage area that will pop out. You will also have a USB plug-in. You will have 3 cup holders, a large center console, and this will fold up to become a middle seat. To end off the interior features, up top you will have your lighting options. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 5.7L V8F OHV 16V engine. Notice too that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you will have several stone chips. Here on the front passenger side door, you will have several chips, as well as a couple scratches. Here on the rear passenger side door, you will also have several chips, as well as a couple scratches. Here along the passenger side of the bed, you will have several scratches, as well as a couple chips. Here along the tailgate, you will have a couple chips, as well as a couple scratches. Here on the driver's side of the bed, you will have several scratches. Here on the rear driver's side door, you will have a couple chips. Here on the front driver's side door, you will also have a couple chips. These are all pre-owned vehicles here, all things automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2016 Ram 1500 ST in a black exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on any new vehicle here, all things automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCallsburg, PA.